In the midst of a brutal war, two soldiers find themselves trapped in the chaos, bound by a shared destiny. Seeking refuge, Ethan and Lana stumble upon a hidden cave, its darkness mirroring their uncertainty. Among the debris, a collection of forgotten love letters whispers tales of longing and devotion. As they read each heartfelt word in the letters, a bond forms between Ethan and Lana, transcending their former enmity. Illuminated by an ethereal light, a newfound determination ignites within them, fueled by the power of love. United by the belief that love can conquer hate, Ethan and Lana venture into the heart of the conflict, armed only with hope. Braving the skepticism of battle-worn leaders, Ethan and Lana deliver their plea for peace with unwavering conviction. The air grows heavy with anticipation as Ethan and Lana's message of unity and compassion resonates among the warring factions. With a collective exhale, a ceasefire is declared, suspending the violence and allowing the blossoming of a fragile peace. Embraced by their nations as beacons of hope, Ethan and Lana dedicate themselves to erasing the scars of war and to fostering a future built on love and understanding. As Ethan and Lana's tireless efforts yield fruit, a bridge emerges, connecting two lands and symbolizing a union forged by love, redemption, and forgiveness. Their extraordinary love, etched in the annals of history, serves as a profound reminder that even in the darkest times, love has the power to mend shattered worlds and build enduring peace.